Greetings, Farm to Preschool champions. Welcome to the step-by-step video guide for creating fun, practical, and cost-free newspaper seed pots. Thank you to Rita Condon, who shared this idea and serves as our talented hand model and newspaper seed pot folding guide. This activity is sure to be a favorite among your students and families when it's time to start seeds for your garden. To begin, take one sheet of newspaper from a local free paper or one of the single inside sheets from your local newspaper. Have a plastic card like a library card, glue stick, and a pile of large paper clips nearby. Fold your piece of newspaper in half, doing your best to line up the edges. Scrape the plastic card over the edges to make them sharp. Fold it in half again and scrape the card over the edges. Repeat this step 2 more times for a total of 4 folds. You will have a rectangle shape, as seen here. The 4th fold creates a crease at the center of your paper, which is important for the following steps. Open the top fold on one side and press it open from the center crease to make a triangular shape. You can see Rita doing that now. Scrape the card over the edges, then turn over and repeat that same step on the opposite side. Remember, paper gets thicker with each fold, so press hard when you scrape the card over the edges. Next, you're going to open the shape on each side and press flat with your card. After this step, your shape is going to look like a house. Rita's demonstrating that now. Now, fold each side of the house toward the center and press flat with your card. As you can see, you will fold toward the center twice on the right and twice on the left side of your house. After those double folds on the left and the right, you'll crease with your card, then flip the entire shape over and repeat on the other side. Way to go, Rita. This will be a newspaper seed pot in no time. At the end of this step, your shape will have a pointed end on one side and a flat end on the other. You can see that coming together now. And it has 2 flaps. Fold one of those flat sides over to line up with the edge of the previous folds. This will be the top of your pot. Flip over and repeat that same fold on the other side. Always remembering to crease with your card. Now grab your glue stick and glue one of the flaps to the side of the pot. Slide a large paper clip over the flap to hold it down until the glue dries, about 10 minutes. Then flip over and secure the flap on the other side of your pot. Put your fingers in the opening at the top to open your pot and flatten the bottom. Finally, fill with soil, add seeds, water, and sunlight, and soon you'll have a new baby plant. The good thing about newspaper pots is that they can be planted directly into the garden as soon as the plants are big enough. Newspaper will break down as the plants grow and add organic matter to your garden soil. Thanks so much for watching.